Good morning, ma'am. My portrait is all about Emilio Jacinto. Emilio Jacinto, ED Zone, December 15, 1875. April 16, 1899 was a Filipino general during the Philippine Revolution. He was one of the highest-ranking officers in the Philippine Revolution and was one of the highest-ranking officers of the Revolutionary Society. Kataas-taas ang kagalang-galangang katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan or simply and more popularly called katipunan. Being of its Supreme Council, he is a selected Secretary of State for the Haring Bayan Katagalugan, a revolutionary government established during the outbreak of hostiles. He is popularly known in the Philippine history textbooks as the brains of Katipunan. While some contended he should be rightfully recognized as the brain of the revolution. Utak ng Himagsikan, a title that is usually given to Apolinario Mabini. Jacinto was present and the so-called cry of Pugadlawing or cry of Balintawak. With Andres Bonifacio, the Supreme President of the Katipunan and others of its members, which signaled the start of the revolution against the Spanish colonial government in the islands. He was born in December 15, 1875, Tondo, Manila, Captaincy General of the Philippine Spanish Empire. He died on April 16, 1899 at the age of 23. Santa Cruz, Laguna, First Philippine Republic. His resting place is in Himalayang Pilipino, Tandang Sora, Quezon City, Philippines. Pinkian Dumasilaw Kaliong was his other name or his called alias. His alma mater is Colegio de San Juan de Letran, University of Santo Tomas. His wife is Catalina de Jesus.